3,800 square foot vacation home is not known as a building built amidst nature, but its identification seems to arise from nature itself. That's right, this place has been conceptualized, arranged and created to disguise the comfort and silence of its surroundings. House of Mango Shadows welcomes visitors with a compact yet refreshing entrance with trees on both sides of the paved path. Upon entering through the main door, one will be revitalized to witness the absence of brick walls and concrete columns, setting the tone for this serene sanctuary to contemplate after the daily routine. Structured to harmonize with nature and let in as much as desired. This was done strategically by combining wide, sliding and folding windows. Each bedroom has an en-suite bathroom, featuring a private courtyard with outdoor bathing area. In a fusion of architecture and design, where human aspirations meet natural beauty, House of Mango Shadows embodies a harmonious fusion.